Welcome to our News Take channel. Let's get on to our video and do watch this video till the end.
People are finding it as a helping tool and using it to get productive results. ChatGPT is triggering companies including the big tech giants Microsoft and Google to create their chatbots in their browsers and search engine. ChatGPT can solve problems and give answers that can constructively help you and will save your time. It can help to generate content ideas, research topic, and translate paragraphs with the help of artificial intelligence. Your imagination and sky's the limit. Here are 5 reasons how ChatGPT will kill search engines and the artificial intelligence tool will take over from research to content creation. Grammar and spelling errors hurt usability and reflect poorly on a brand. Grammar checking tools and checkers such as Grammarly are an important part for writers and editors. But AI tools address more than grammar and spelling alone. They can rearrange an article, summarize it, add bullets, and even suggest subheadings. So ChatGPT can be used for your essay purposes. Google attempts to understand a searcher's intention when ranking pages in organic results. But it's often unclear. SEO keywords differ depending on the intent. Generating those words and phrases manually can take much time and effort. ChatGPT can handle this task quickly and effectively. Copy-paste a list of keyword ideas, and ask ChatGPT to organize it by search intent. The tool is less accurate on long lists, in my experience. Even if you want to add about which keyword is trending and what is the search volume. This tools will provide results. Creating click-worthy title tags can be challenging. AI tools can brainstorm ideas with little instruction or with a specific direction, such as how-to content. ChatGPT may just be a chatbot, but it provides a vast number of answers in an effective way. Creating a content is indeed a challenging part and needs innovative ideas and creativity. For example, ChatGPT provides a list of article ideas that might fit into your content strategy. It can provide any kind of content such as essay, reports, scripts, poetries, and summarizes to even plays. ChatGPT is not only for commercial or corporate users, but it is also beneficial for students because this program has an ability to solve mathematics problems and can also teach you specific subjects and topics in a very simple way. Users can even ask Chatbot for an essay explanation in an easy way to understand the topic. In addition, it is also helpful for students to solve a quiz on a specific topic for exam preparation. It can also provide help in writing poetries, prose, and essays for their studies. There are talks that ChatGPT is going to replace humans, and many professions are just going to die out. In my personal opinion, it will not happen, but it will make life easier in different industries and professional fields.